What's going on, everybody? So we're doing lots of chores today, and man, I totally spaced. I should have been filming something that I've been doing out here, but we are trying to take back some of the wilderness of the overgrowth on our property here. And as you know, you've been following along with us, my grandmother and my grandfather own this property. They bought this property. They worked so hard. We are so grateful to be here, and it's part of the legacy of our farm to take back, if you will, some of the overgrowth, just to reestablish the beauty of this place. Absolutely incredible. So you can see behind me, this is where our calf lives, and of course we're going to get some more out here with her, Lord willing, this spring. But that's where we keep her feed, over in that shed, and we just have a lot of growth. And I've been out here with the mower just a little bit, cutting some of this down. It was a bit of an experiment. I figured the mower would do good, but I wasn't quite sure. I wanted to get out here and give it a shot, and it's going well. I wanted to film it so you could follow along with me. So I'm going to set you up here on this fence post, and I hope you enjoy. Well, my goodness, that's a lot of work. And I know some of you guys, and rightly so, you're gonna say, man, you need a bush hog out there. Man, I do, but I don't have one. Now some of my family has one, but I have done work like this before on a zero turn. I knew that big 54-inch Maverick made by Bad Boy was gonna be up to the task, but I also knew I was gonna get ripped by some of these thorns along the way, and man, did I ever. But I just wanted to turn this camera around and just show you, man, it is getting better. Look at this. It is sure getting better. Now, if you're wondering, Matt, what did it look like before you got started? How do we know it got better? Well, this is about what it looked like right through here. It looked like that. Just an absolute thorn infestation. So it is so exciting. Now, I remember times when I was growing up, man, this was pasture. I mean, just beautiful land. In fact, right over there was a trailer, and my grandparents would rent that trailer out, and always showed great hospitality to people. And so it's exciting to get down here and take this back. Now, we don't have any plans or intentions to put any kind of building or structure there, but it's gonna look a lot better. Look at this view, guys. It's spring here. It is March the 21st when I'm filming this video. And my goodness, it is absolutely beautiful. The frogs are out. I'm not sure if you could hear them, but I love that sound. Well, that's the sound of summer, isn't it? That is the sound of summer. Well, I sure appreciate you guys. Can't tell you enough how much I appreciate you watching these videos. My hope in filming that is, man, there's just something satisfying about mowing grass and watching man, something just overgrown get tamed. So I hope it was satisfying for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any thoughts or comments or questions, man, please feel free to share those in the reply. And as always, please like, subscribe this, share it with somebody who might think it's interesting. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.